Hi there, today I want to talk about an incredible oil that comes from Morocco argan oil. This oil is extracted from the kernels of the argan tree, which only grows in the mountains of Morocco. It's a prized product because of its many benefits for the skin, hair, and body. One of the most remarkable things about argan oil is its moisturizing power. It penetrates deeply into the skin, nourishing it from the inside out. This means that it can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. It's also great for dry, itchy, or cracked skin, as it helps to restore moisture and promote healing. Argan oil is also incredibly beneficial for hair. It's a great alternative to traditional hair oils, as it doesn't leave a greasy residue. It can help to strengthen and nourish hair, making it smoother, shinier, and healthier looking. It's also great for hair that is prone to dryness or damage, as it helps to prevent breakage and split ends. In addition to its beauty benefits, argan oil is also incredibly versatile. It's a popular ingredient in cooking, as it adds a delicious nutty flavor to everything like salads. It's also great for cooking, as it has a high smoke point and won't burn in at high temperatures. In conclusion, if you're looking for a natural and effective product that can help to nourish and improve the health of your skin, hair, and body, then argan oil is definitely worth considering. It's a treasure from the mountains of Morocco that deserves to be celebrated and cherished.